In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video speed with Descript. Now, if you're looking to add a unique touch to your videos by speeding them up for a fast motion effect or slowing them down for dramatic emphasis, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process of adjusting your video playback speed with ease and precision. First, you need to have Descript open and your video project loaded up. Once you're ready, the initial task is to identify the specific video clip whose speed you want to change. This clarification is essential because different sections of your video might require different treatments, and Descript gives you the flexibility to adjust individual clips, keeping other parts of your project untouched. Once you've located your target clip, the next step is to select it within the timeline. You'll notice that Descript's interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it straightforward to pick out the clip you want to modify. By clicking on your chosen clip, you activate its settings, ready for adjustment. Next, you'll want to open the layer panel. To do this, click directly on the clip. This action not only highlights your clip, but also reveals more detailed settings and options for customization. Within this panel, you'll find various tools at your disposal, but our main focus today is the duration section. This is where the magic happens. In the duration section, you'll notice the current speed of your video, indicated as 1x by default. One-time speed means your video plays back at the regular, real-time rate. Here's where you get to have some fun. To adjust the speed of your video, you can use the handy slider. If you're aiming for a slow-motion effect, simply drag the slider to the left. A good starting point might be 0.5x, but feel free to experiment until you achieve your desired effect. Conversely, if your goal is a fast-paced, energetic feel, move the slider to the right. For example, setting it to 2x will double the speed of the footage, giving it that quick, lively vibe. But Descript doesn't just stop at the slider. For those who want even more control over playback speed, you can manually enter a specific value. This feature is perfect for precision. Whether you're looking to slow down your video all the way to 0.3x for a dramatic slow motion or ramp it up to 3x for comedic effect, typing in your exact preference ensures you get just what you envisioned. Adjustment complete. Take a moment to review your changes by playing back the clip. This will allow you to see the results of your modifications instantly. Remember, you can always go back and tweak the speed as necessary. Descript's setup is designed to make the process flexible, user-friendly, and most importantly, creatively rewarding. So there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed your video with customized speed adjustments using Descript. Feel free to play around with different clips, experiment with various speeds, and let your creative instincts shine. Happy editing!